In CoStar brokerage applications, user teams are set up to allow individuals to view or edit records. Various types of user teams can be set up for specific purposes. To create a user team, you must have a network admin login to access the application. Hover over the Admin tab and click the plus sign next to User Teams. There are two basic types of user teams. User teams that are set up for brokers or teams to collaborate on deals and be able to view each other's notes and activities. And then there are teams that are set up to manage. Teams that are set up to manage something or someone will automatically be added to the permissions for new deals for that team. For example, managing directors can be set up to have default permissions on all deals associated with either a location or a business line, or a combination of location and business line, or division. Team admins can be set up to manage the individual brokers that they support, and they could have default permissions to either view, edit, or even deactivate their deals. For this example, we'll set up a user team for a team of brokers to be able to share notes and activities on the deals that they work on together. We'll use John Walker as an example. And we'll say that John works with Chris Bin. Under the Add or Remove members of this team, type in the individual that you want to add to the team. In this case, I'm going to type Chris Bin. And the system will intuitively pull up his name for me to select. Then click Add, and he's now added to this team. We'll also want to select the individual John Walker. And add him. And there's one other member of their team, Jack Guest. Once you've selected the members of the team, then you'll want to specify the default permissions for this team that they'll have whenever they are added to records. When Edit is selected, it allows the team members to modify the record, but not to deactivate the record. Delete allows for deactivating the record. Admin allows for modifying permissions for this record. This should only be given to the person who is actually going to manage the record entirely. View Pipeline and Pipeline Commissions allows members to see the pipeline and commission details for this deal. In some cases, brokers may share information on transactions, but not necessarily pipeline and commissions, so that box can be left unchecked. Deal Participant allows members to see this deal on reports and other parts of the system that may not have commission details, but they're allowed to see the deal itself and the notes and activities. The benefit to using user teams is that once they are established, any change in team membership takes immediate effect. For example, if you had a team in place which manages an office location and a new office manager is hired who needs permissions that team would provide, adding that new hire to the team membership is the only step needed to provide that person access to those deals. New teams are not added to existing records automatically. That can often be done with the feature Add or Remove Permissions on multiple records from a list of records. We can also provide data services to add user teams to a batch of existing records. Please contact Brokerage Applications at costargroup.com if you want more information.